Listen, I'm from actually Haiti, and for most of your people from UK and Nigeria, I have to grade your honesty as a king in your country. And me as a Haitian king, I got to congratulate you for being king TikTok in Nigeria. In front of all of you guys, I gotta let you know this is the color of my flags. We are the first black country being independent and free in the world. We show all the other black countries how to be independent and free. So we are Africans. We are descendants of Africa, just like you. So we are one. And today, we are not going to fight. We are going to make a fair game, a fair play. So we are just going to have a battle together. And in the name of all Haitian, in the name of all, I want to say to you, we love you and we love your country. We love people from UK, from Nigeria, from all over the world. And as usual, just like we show other countries how to be independent, how to be free. And today, I think we are going to have a game. And let's see who's going to be the winner.
Listen.
Let's see.